Hello there, my name's Alexis Stratfold. I've been an agent with Leggett Immobilier since 2013. I live down here in the Minervois Valley, in the beautiful part of Occitanie, in the south of France, the real south of France. Today we're in the village of Siran, which is a very small but beautiful, very well kept village, and with about 700, 800 people maybe. Quite mixed. It's got a lot going for it. It has a lovely grocery store which has recently been completely redone, and a very quaint, adorable little boulangerie straight out of a movie. It has a bar restaurant which serves food all day long and has events in the summer, a chateau hotel, there's a tapas bar as well. So for a small village, it's extremely well equipped. It's surrounded by several other lovely little villages and quite close, about half an hour's drive from Carcassonne, and in the other direction, the Roman city of Narbonne. And today we're here looking at this beautiful Maison de Maître, which my colleague is going to tell you all about.
Hi, I'm Andrew Guck, your local agent here at Leggett Immobilier. And today we're on the rooftop terrace of this beautiful Maison de Maître, which is built in 1874. At one point, this house was used as a hotel even. It's very large, it's 280 square meters. It's spread lavishly across 3 floors. And the top floor of this house has its own private apartment, which can be used for the owners of the property. And you can easily rent the rest of the house out as a chambre d'hôte if you wish. Standing in front of the facade of this house, right away, you'll be awe-inspired by the striking features that it has. The property has managed to maintain all of its original qualities and all the way down to the fine details. And in my opinion, it is the most beautiful house in all of Siran. And of all the properties that I have for sale, this is one of my favorite ones, and that's why I'm here to show it to you today. Upon entering the house, you're going to be immediately impressed by all of the original details, from the flooring to the wood panels, and it's been finely decorated with the most elegant and luxurious furniture, such as the beautiful red Turkish rugs to the gold mirrors, the Napoleon-style furniture. So right away, you're just going to fall in love with this house. Upon entering the property, if you take a left, you'll notice the generous proportions there are to the living room and the kitchens. And turning around to the right, if you go that way, you'll find a second sitting room that you can enjoy, which has very high ceilings and is elegantly decorated. And there's also a garage that has enormous space, enough for several cars. And there's also an additional annex jeep that can be fully renovated to your liking and used as you wish. Ascending to the first floor, you'll find 3 bedrooms, all with their own ensuite bathrooms. There's an indoor terrace, perfect for entertaining guests, as well as 2 outdoor terraces, one of which we're sitting here right now. Okay, here we are on the second floor of the property, and you'll find another 2 bedrooms, both again with ensuite bathrooms, laundry facilities, and a penthouse with a large kitchen area, and it's beautifully decorated with majestic wooden beams.
If you'd like more information, or you'd like to arrange a viewing or have a video tour, or if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate. Look below and you can ask about anything you want to, and we'll be happy to show you the house or to give you more information. Au revoir.